Okay, before we talk about the timelines and the assessment, let's first talk about the moment people don't see, the day you lose your job. CNB community, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Let's dive in, shall we? Losing a job does not happen with a countdown. One day you are employed, the next day you are not. Bills don't pause, life does not slow down. Now, listen to this. When people apply to the UIF, it is not because they are lazy or careless. It is because they need a breathing room. They need time to recover, to regroup, and to look for something solid or the next opportunity. That is why waiting hurts so much. Every day without feedback feels like being forgotten. I know, right? And the truth is, if your UIF application is perfect, assessment can take 20 to 25 working days on a perfect application, right? And the payment can take between 7 to 15 working days. And I'm talking about the application that does not have any discrepancy. But perfection matters. One missing document, one missing information, one incorrect detail, and that wait can stretch far longer than someone who just lost a job can afford. It can go up to months, weeks, or years. So you wake up with nowhere to go, but everything to worry about in that moment. Now, UIF is not just about the stats, the paperwork or numbers. It's the reassurance that you are not going to fall through the cracks while you're still looking for something solid. However, this does not seem to be the case. Let's unpack this, shall we? So you have submitted your application to the UIF and it is a perfect application. Now, you do know how frustrating it can be to wait. Here's the deal. You submitted a perfect application, you submitted your supporting documents, your declarations are submitted, and your employment history is clear. And some of the things that I do check when I do a document review service. And that application should take between 20 to 25 working days. I'm not talking about the payment stage yet. I'm still talking about the assessment process. When they do assess your application, as soon as you submit your application with your supporting documents, then that application should take between 20 to 28 working days. Now, somebody will ask, what if it takes longer? Now, this video is for you. If it takes longer than 28 working days max, you really need to listen up because I'm going to tell you exactly what went wrong. Because right now, I'm unpacking the application that is perfect. Stick around as I unpack this. So UIF doesn't have to be confusing or slow. You just need to know what to submit and when. Do the right thing. Get an expert in your corner. Now have your documents reviewed by an expert, and link it's on our TikTok bio.